Hi, it's the night. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to talk about an awesome Python library, Datasist. Before we get that, let's drink a cup of water. Datasist is a Python library that aids the workflow for data analysts and data scientists. The goal of Datasist is to abstract repetitive code, functions, and techniques into a simple function that can be called in a single line of code. Datasist is centered around 5 modules, which include structured data, feature engineering, time series, visualization, and model. In this video, I'm going to talk about some functions of Datasist. First function I'm going to talk about is the display missing function. This function allows you to display missing value in your dataset. Not just that, the function allows you to see the percentage of missing value in a particular column. The next function is the describe function. This function allows you to see a full description of a dataset, which include the first 5 rows, first random row, category features, numeric features, and a lot more. The next function is the get categorical variable, or the get categorical features, and the get numerical feature. This function allows you to see the numerical and the categorical feature in your dataset. Next function on our list is the fill missing num. This function allows you to fill missing value in your dataset. Some of the problems, some of the issue we have with some dataset after cleaning is missing value. So what's the best way to handle missing value? You can use the fill missing num or the fill missing cut to fill missing numeric value or missing categorical value. Last one I'm going to talk about is the visualization. We have a lot of chart in Datasist. All you need to do is call the function, and in a single line of code, you plot any chart of your choice. As a contributor, as a core contributor, we've had over 20 plus users or over 50 plus users. You can also contribute to Datasist because it's open source. All you need to do is to visit the GitHub link, check the issue, or send a PR. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. And for those who don't know, my 2019 was awesome, and 2020 is gonna be super mind-blowing. I mean, Maru. Alright, so all you need to do is to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna keep you updated on what's new, what's up, best techniques, new parties, and new tools to help scale up your data science project. And don't forget, follow me up, become my patron, click on the link so you can get early access to my course. When you become a patron, you can get early access to my course. See you in 2020.